Are you looking for an affordable yet feature-packed mini projector to elevate your home entertainment? Introducing the TMY Mini Projector, a portable and versatile device that promises to bring the big screen experience to your living room or backyard. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into everything this projector has to offer, so stick around to find out if this is the perfect addition to your entertainment setup. The TMY Mini Projector is designed to be both functional and portable, making it ideal for a wide range of uses. It features a native 720p resolution with support for 1080p Full HD, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or sharing photos with family, this projector ensures a high-quality viewing experience. Let's talk about the design. Compact and lightweight, the TMY Mini Projector is easy to carry and set up anywhere. It comes with a foldable, anti-wrinkle projection screen, perfect for creating a home theater on the go. The simple yet sturdy build ensures durability, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the standout features of this projector is its 3LCD color calibration technology, which reproduces more intricate color details compared to other mini projectors. With a contrast ratio of 5,000:1, the colors are vibrant and the details are clear, even in darker scenes. When it comes to audio, the TMY Mini Projector is equipped with a built-in Bluetooth 5.1 speaker, offering synchronized and stable sound. If you want to enhance your experience further, you can pair it with external Bluetooth speakers or headphones for immersive audio. Connectivity is key, and this projector doesn't disappoint. It includes HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether you're using a TV stick, smartphone, laptop, gaming console, or even a USB flash drive, the TMY Mini Projector has you covered. However, it's worth noting that if you want to connect a smartphone, you'll need an HDMI adapter cable. And for apps like Netflix and Prime Video, a TV stick or similar device is required due to HDCP agreements. Hey, if you're enjoying this review and finding it helpful, take a quick moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more content like this and keeps you updated with the latest reviews. Thank you for your support. The TMY Mini Projector supports screen sizes ranging from 32 to 220 inches, offering flexibility for any space. With a lamp life of 60,000 hours, it's built to last for years, even with regular use. The dual-fan cooling system ensures efficient heat dissipation, allowing you to enjoy long viewing sessions without worrying about overheating. Of course, no product is perfect. The TMY Mini Projector shines with its affordability, portability, and versatility, but there are some limitations to consider. For instance, it doesn't have Wi-Fi connectivity, and screen mirroring isn't supported for all streaming apps. Still, for its price point, the features it offers are hard to beat. In conclusion, the TMY Mini Projector is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a home theater experience without breaking the bank. Its combination of high-quality visuals, Bluetooth connectivity, and portability makes it a great investment for movie lovers, gamers, and families alike. If you're ready to elevate your entertainment, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Don't miss out on bringing the big screen experience home. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. This narration ensures a professional tone, covers all critical features, and provides a clear call to action, making it perfect for an in-depth review video.